Hello, Chef here, and I've got yet another recipe to share with you as well as some tips. So follow along, and here we go. Okay, here we go. So I'm working with chicken today, and Mr. Perdue had these on sale, so I thought I would score them. What do we got here? Chicken thighs, yes. Chef here, back again with some of the awesome Italian chicken vegetable soup that I made from the bone broth slash chicken stock from the last video. And here we go. I'm just going to ladle some of this in for you, show you what I got going on and why it's going to be so good. This soup is packed with nutrient-rich vitamins, amazing flavor. And wow, the only place you're going to get it is at home if you make it yourself. Okay, here we go. This is the soup. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of roasted garlic. Same thing, if you want this kind of garlic, you better make it. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. I've got some very delicate fine winter chives I'm putting on top. As well as a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano right over this soup. Fresh grated, the good stuff. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe. Check out the chef's other videos. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. When I work with a lot of chicken like this is 10 pounds of chicken or more. I like to wear these disposable gloves. It's another layer of sanitation, and I'm not going to spread germs all over the place. By the way, I'm using a large stock pot. This is like a 10 quart or 12 quart. And we're going to be putting this chicken in here rather quickly. Alright, so I like to line them up like this, and I'm using the cleaver to release extra flavor from the bones. Hope you're paying attention here. This is a free cooking lesson. If you were my student, I would probably be a little sharp with the ones who aren't paying attention. And by the way, no cell phones in chef's classroom. No. Leave them in your locker, leave them in the car. No cell phones allowed. Alright, we line up the chicken. We've got the bones all facing the right direction here. We give them a whack, just like this. Okay, we're going to go right through, and you can see what I've done there. I've released some of that awesome flavor out of the bone. Just like that, okay? And a little practice, you're going to get the control that you're looking for and how hard you want to whack them. Just like that. Nice. Okay, I'm going to repeat and get through all this chicken and release all that flavor, and then I'll be back. You get maximum protection, and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers, so it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. With more, and we'll be finishing up this stock in just about an hour or so. Make sure to click that little subscribe button right down there. It lets us know you like the video, and it lets other people find the channel, and it makes my big finger relax once you click the button. Okay? I'll be back. We'll finish this one up here real soon. And don't forget your sponsor, where you can score the blocks, the cleavers, and all of the cool things that the chefs are using in the videos. That's a really, really nice cleaver. I'm just going to hit it with a fine sharpening steel to bring that edge back just a little bit. After about 30 minutes or so, your broth will come to a boil, and you want to use a ladle and skim off the scum, we call it. Want to skim that off the top. Several reasons for that. I won't get into all the details. However, if you subscribe to the channel, you're going to continue to learn more tips from the chefs. Yeah, good tips. These are going to last you for a lifetime of cooking pleasure. Okay, so we're skimming the scum off the top here. Just like this. Oh, look at that sizzle. Yeah, and you heard that in the background. So I'm actually cooking another dish at the same time, multitasking. If you want to learn about this chicken garlic dish, subscribe to the channel and just search some of the recipes, and you're going to find some awesome stuff like this. Yeah, this is going to be really tasty as well. A little bit of pepper in there. Little touch of smoked paprika. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm back. It's been about an hour. Now you can check the chicken to see if it's tender and falls right off the bone. Just use a pair of tongs and you can see that real easily. It's falling apart. So you know it's done. At this point, we use a stainless steel bowl and we remove some of the chicken from the broth. Oh yeah, and we let it cool off. I'm going to let the chicken cool off, use the stock for an awesome soup, and I'm going to peel some of the meat off and add it to the finished soup. So this is the end of this video. Please tune in and check out our other videos. Search soup on this channel. First you subscribe right down here. Once you subscribe, just put in soup in the search engine and you'll find all kinds of recipes. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to videos, and I'll be back with much, much more. Stunning butcher block, made to order and shipped direct to you. Free shipping, No tax, you'll love it. And that's it. Have a great day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Keep this channel going. And you're the chef's friend.